Well, the market does not seem to know what it wants to do currently, but we're just going to keep his eyes on Bitcoin for now and see what goes on over the course of the next few days going into Friday's contracts expiries. So in this video, we're going to take a look at Harmony One. We'll have a look at some key levels that you could invest and then some price targets going forward. If you're new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. This video today is in partnership with Plutus. It is a bank on crypto. If you are looking to get hold of a crypto bank account, if you're in the UK or Europe, I do suggest that you check this out. You can get daily rewards on all your daily spend. So for example, you go into a shop to buy something, you get 3% cash back in crypto, in Pluton token, which is a native asset of the Plutus network. You can spend up to £250 per month on the free account and earn that 3% in reward. So it's definitely worth doing, even if you're just doing it for daily spends to earn that free crypto. I think getting that passive income is always something we are craving for. Like I say, it is free to open. You can create an account in under 2 minutes and then you get a card sent out to you pretty much straight away. Right, so jumping into Bitcoin first, we'll have a look at just what's going on there, and then we'll jump into Harmony One. We'll have a look at both the USDT and the BTC pairing. So I had a long setup here on I had a long setup on BTC at 3059. We're slightly above that there, and it's been doing quite well. We are pushing up. I closed that. I was just expecting a little bit of volatility going in towards Friday. I know we got quite a lot of contracts expiries, and currently the bears are winning slightly on that, so we might get a bit of a downfall tomorrow. So fingers crossed we do manage to stay above, but so far it's looking like we may get a drop running into Friday, which then runs into a weekend. We do know that weekends can be quite volatile, so just monitor that price. In general, overall, I'm still bullish on the entire crypto market. The only thing that would sway me is a daily closure below that 30k level, which I don't think will happen. So let's just monitor that price. We just need to be aware that we have created some lower highs on the way down, so that's not good for market structure. But I still think we're having a bull cycle, and if you look at that stock to flow model, it's still quite bullish. So I mean, this was a nice area of support for Bitcoin. As you can see, no closures below that 30k level since the 1st of January. So the entire year 2021, no closures below that level. A closure below would flip me bearish, and I would start to look at some shorts, but currently I'm not. So let's have a look at Harmony One. Where are we on here? Like I say, we'll look at both the BTC and the USDT pairing. So we have been up to those all-time highs at 22 cents, and like everything, done a big retracement. We did a 74% retracement from those all-time highs. It's not the worst. There's been a lot more worse out there. Just looking at the RSI, it's around mid-ground, so that is to me prime for a move. And then if we just have a zoom into the 4 hour, we'll do most of a TA here. We have had quite a nice bounce since those lows. If we just have a look at that in terms of a projection there, we've done a 100% move since we did hit those lows, so that's quite a significant move to the upside, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a solid bounce off those lows. So let's have a look at some potential buys. Let me just have a look at this on the daily time, on the 4 hour first, from the bottom to the top. So we have popped up, we've done that 38% retracement, come back up, tested those highs, and then popped back down again. So, I mean, this looks like it could be a nice level for you to potentially place some orders at 9.6 cents. If Bitcoin does turn turbulent and the market gets a little bit wobbly, you might fill some orders down here at 8.1 cents. So that could be another level. If you're wanting to place some limit orders, potentially have a look down at that 8.1 cent region. But let's just have a zoom right into the hourly first, see what's going on here. See, from this entire move here, we pretty much did a full retracement. I'm guessing that's a 78% retracement. Yeah. So on this move here, we've popped up, retraced, done a 78% retracement. As you can see, this current hourly candle is pushing up. I'm guessing we're going to reject from 10.9 cents and come back down. But let's just monitor a price first. I would still target buys within these two regions. Going back to 4 hour, there's no patterns really that I see in play. I mean, you could say we've got a head and shoulders, but it's not the best one really. So you could see a potential breakout to the upside. If we just put the moving averages on, I use the 8 and the 21. As you can see, we've had a bullish cross here 2-3 days ago now, and we're continuing that drive upwards. if we're looking at EMA 21 on a daily, still in a bit of a bearish phase, to be honest. What we're looking for is a bullish cross around here somewhere. So far we might come back up, pick these orders up, grab some liquidity and then pop back up. But so far it's looking quite bearish on the daily time frame in terms of moving averages, and it's not looking too bad on the low time frames. But in general, I am bullish across crypto. I think even though we are creating lower highs on the way down, at some point that structure needs to be broken, and we did quite a significant move to the upside. I mean, in terms of percentage from them lows to the highs, we got 1,200%, and people are always going to take profits, and the market's working cycles even on the lower time frames. So hopefully we can jump out of that lower time frame, well, high time frame bear cycle, and we can start to push up, because I still think we've got a long time left in this bull market. So that is the tether pair covered. Some buys. In fact, we'll have a look at some TPs actually. If we just go back to a 4 hour, look at this entire move here. So there are your buy zones. If you're looking to take profit, then you can look at this region here, which is 13.6 cent. And then we have this region here is the negative 618 level is 15.7. So them are my first two major targets. Once we do flip this level here, what I will do is look for some more price analysis videos, and I will identify some levels further up. But so far, hopefully we can build these some profit regions in here, get some buy levels placed, build some profit up, take profit at these regions, and then I'll jump in some more price analysis. And hopefully by the time we're here, I will be targeting those all-time highs. So looking at a BTC pair, that's next. Just dropping back to a daily, get rid of moving averages. That's the all-time high marker, so that is up at 439 Satoshis. Let's remove that. Let's get over that. We've done quite a big retracement again in terms of the Satoshi pair. 57%, not quite as bad. That's why if you look at your portfolio after that dump and you saw it were down like 60-70%, flip your portfolio to BTC values and it will look quite good. My portfolio didn't drop so much compared to the tether pairs. But yeah, let's have a look at this around mid-ground on the RSI. I've not got a MACD on at a minute. Shall we put that on? Back that on. There we go. Change colours a bit later on, but as you can see, yeah, we are in a little bit of a bearish phase there. But hopefully we can get that crossover on the moving averages and start to tick to the upside. Having a look at a 4 hour. What's happened here? Yeah, we've had that big drop to the downside. Looking at this move here though, this is where we're going to look for some buy zones and take profit regions. So that's the bottom of the move, that's the top of the move, and we've come down and done that 38% retracement at 258 Satoshi. So if you're looking for buys, I would still target this area in case you do come down and test. So buys at 258, and if BTC goes on a mad crazy run like it can do sometimes, the Satoshi pairs will feel a bit of pressure and it might fill some orders at 230 sats. In terms of targets though, we can look here at 337 and then look at 378. So they're your areas to take profit if you're wanting to accumulate, or just take profit in general, or even if you're looking to have a certain target. Potentially 400 sats is a nice target to sell some Harmony 1. So that's going to pretty much do it for today's video. That is just some quick fire analysis, some buy zones and take profit regions on Harmony 1. Yeah, so all's looking okay. Slightly bearish from the low time frames, but fingers crossed we can really start to push on and regain some momentum and fire back up to those all-time highs, because I do not think it is over yet. If you are new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.